was a patient of Dr. Navneet Haror before in 2018 when I got first transplanted. उस समय it was recommended to me by a friend, and this time क्योंकि मैंने last time करवाया हुआ था, so I just came back because the results were very good. I will be honest, it's not कि बहुत pain होता है, but ऐसा भी नहीं है कि एकदम painless होता है. It is very safe. It is something you can manage, और recovery बहुत fast होता है. That's the most important part. The only thing which happens अगर आप side effect की बात करें तो जहाँ पे आपका anesthesia लगता है, you have little bit of soreness for 2 weeks, and that's the only side effect you have. Yeah, they were very amazing. The day I came, they took a proper care of me. During OT also, they were always asking me how am I feeling and all. Very considerate. Even the post-operation care was very good. So I'll give 100 marks on that. Thank you, Dr. Haror, for changing my look.